Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to take a ledger statement in the Vyapar app. First, open the Vyapar application on your device. From the main dashboard, locate and tap on the Reports option. This section provides various financial summaries. Next, select Party Ledger to access individual account details. This step is crucial for viewing specific customer or vendor transactions efficiently. Once in the Party Ledger section, you'll need to select the particular party for whom you want the statement. After choosing the party, specify the date range for the ledger. You can select a custom period or use predefined options. Carefully review all the transactions displayed to ensure everything is accurate and complete before proceeding to the next step. To get your statement out of the app, look for the export or share icon, usually found at the top right of the screen. Tap this icon, and you'll be presented with options for the export format. You can typically choose between formats like PDF for easy viewing or Excel for detailed analysis. Finally, share the statement directly via email or other messaging applications. You can further customize your ledger statement by applying various filters, such as transaction type or payment status, to refine the data shown. The app also allows you to print the statement directly if your device is connected to a printer. For more deals and to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the link in the description below. This makes managing your business finances even more flexible and convenient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.